Welcome to Charlotte Technical College, where high school students like you embark on a journey of discovery and growth. Meet John, a motivated student eager to explore the opportunities available in our diverse programs. John is excited to dive into his chosen field and immerse himself in the dynamic learning environment offered by Charlotte Technical College. With over 20 programs to choose from, students like John have the flexibility to pursue their passions and chart their own career paths. Our students, who showcase an enthusiasm for hands-on learning, are delving into their programs of choice, exploring new concepts and honing their skills under the guidance of experienced instructors. There's plenty of inspiration in the bustling energy of the campus to motivate and cultivate an exemplary learning journey. Between classes, our students enjoy connecting with fellow classmates, sharing ideas, and forming friendships that extend beyond the classroom. By applying themselves before even graduating high school, students like John are setting themselves up for a successful career path ahead of the game. Join John and countless other high school students on their journey of exploration and achievement at Charlotte Technical College. Your future begins here.